Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Novo Bank, manage small business banking step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the address bar www.novobank.com. Press the enter key. You will be directed to the Novo Bank homepage. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be taken to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, type in your password in the second field. Ensure that your password is entered correctly. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once your email and password are entered, click the Login button. Wait for the system to log you in. After a few moments, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. From here, you can manage your small business banking needs. Explore the features available, such as viewing account balances and transaction history. To log out, find the account profile icon, typically on the top right corner. Click on the icon and select Log Out from the drop-down menu. You're now ready to manage your Novo Bank account efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.